Hey guys, Javier Liu, and today I'm going to be going over a brief overview on how to use MOBILedit and how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing that you want to do is before you even have any of your devices connected, you go here to where it says connect. You can go ahead and connect your device, whether it's your phone, then to just internal storage, if it's a SIM card or just a file. So for me it's going to be the phone, so we're going to go ahead and click next. And then it asks you what kind of connection you want to make, whether it's cable, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or infrared. I'm going to be using cable, so I'll go ahead and click next. And on this page, it lets you download any drivers that are necessary in order for your computer to be able to detect the device that you are using. Now, since I already have all the drivers downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next screen. And as soon as you have all the drivers installed, then it will take you to this screen where it will show you what phones or what devices have been detected. So as you can see here, my phone was detected, the Evil Shift 4G, and we're going to go ahead and click on it and press finish. And as soon as it's done, it will show up right here, and it will give you all the information about the phone. Gives you the IMEI, the operator, the actual phone number. It tells you here how much battery is left on the phone, how much memory is on the actual phone, how much physical memory, and here's also the memory on the SD card, and it also shows you the signal on the actual phone. So we're going to go ahead and get started looking through what is actually on the phone. Alright, so here we have the phone book. Has a bunch of contacts. You can see it brings in all the contacts that are on the phone, whether it's from Facebook or from Google, from emails, from anything and anywhere, all the applications you might have on your phone. This thing goes ahead and it brings up all of them and it just puts them up there for you to view. So next we're going to go ahead and go on to the missed calls, and it saves the last 500 missed calls that you've had. So you can view them all here. You can click on it and see what number it was that called you, the date, the time. So it's pretty cool. Next, last dialed numbers. These are numbers that the phone has called. You can see here once again, it's the last 500 numbers, and I think that's actually the same amount of numbers that your phone itself saves on the actual phone. So I think that's why MOBILedit is bringing us the last 500. And next is received calls. These are the last 500 calls again that the phone has received. It gives you all the dates, the times, all there. And next we go to messages. Now messages has a few categories on how you want to view it. You can view them all here, but as the conversations here, you can view all the different conversations that are there. And on the right side is the actual conversations that was made with this person, this contact. So you can see here different conversations, and here you can just choose to view all the messages, the uncategorized. It just has them all there from the date. Here you have all the received, all the sent, and any drafts. If there were any drafts saved, they will come up right here. So next we're going to go on to the media on the actual phone. So here we have system files. You can see here you have alarm music, pictures, ringtones, videos. So we're going to go ahead and go into music and see what we can find here. And we have some files here. It looks like a bunch of ringtones, different ringtones or notifications that the phone has. As you can see here, low battery, so probably when the battery is low, that sound comes out and plays. Pictures, these are all pictures saved on the actual phone. So some of these might be, as you can see here, the HTC wallpaper. These are the pictures that came on the actual phone, not the SD card. So these might be from different programs or applications on the phone. Here we have the ringtones, different ringtones here, and videos, any videos that may have come with the phone. There's none here. And next file here is your media. So these are the media from the SD card, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are files that are on the SD card that you can view. So we're going to go ahead and go to Files, so we can view all the different files that are on the phone. Okay, so here we have a bunch of files, as you can see. You have the root directory here, which doesn't come up anything here, and we have the SD card. So these are all the files that are actually listed on the SD card right now. It's the same thing as if you were to mount the SD card on your phone through the computer. You can actually view this same file system right here. And here we can see the dev. So this is an important file on the actual phone, because this has it pretty much contains all the folders and files that have from the apps that you may have on your phone. And we're going to go ahead and go back to the SD card file and view what's on there. So here you can see all the different files here. You see if there's any backups from any applications here. Come up right here. Looks like there's none here. Anything from Facebook, which is not saved there. And DCIM, this is usually where the media is stored. So like any pictures or videos are usually stored in this DCIM folder. You see your 100 media. These are the ones from the actual camera. When you click on it, you can view all the images here that were taken from the camera. Any videos or pictures as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on a random image here, and MOBILedit actually has a photo editor where it lets you view the actual photo. Okay, and here's the picture. Gives you here some options that you can use for the picture. If you want to flip it, you can go ahead and do that here. You can flip it back, you can mirror it, you can resize it, you can crop it, you can change it to negative or grayscale, you can make the picture lighter, darker, you can change the contrast. So there's a lot of different things that it lets you do with the pictures if you want to see. So we're going to go ahead and close this. And we're going to go back to the SD card folder, DCIM, and see what's in the camera folder. These are pictures that were taken from the camera. Looks like this might have been from some kind of an application. You know, any pictures that were taken will come up here. So we're going to head and open one of these. You see it's an Xbox controller. So so here we have download. So these are different files that have been downloaded on the SD card. So pretty much if anything was downloaded, it saves to the SD card. So here we can view, you know, you can see here Adobe Reader. You have some PDFs here. Mail. I'm assuming this is some kind of emails or maybe even messages. And as you can see, you have a bunch of pictures here. So we can go ahead and click on one of these to see. It's a picture. And here we have a PDF, so we can see it actually can open up PDFs as well. So we'll go ahead and wait for the PDF to open so we can view what it is. As you can see, it has all the file systems on the SD card is right here listed on the left side. Right here listed on this left side. And now we're going to go ahead and check out that PDF that I clicked to open. So you see here is a PDF of solutions for a test. And you can pretty much just, this allows you to browse all the folders that were on the SD card. You see here Instagram. These contains pictures that were put up on Instagram. Here are sample photos. Snapchat for any pictures we're taking with Snapchat. Telenav, this is GPS, so this would store all the different locations that you've been to. You can go ahead and try to open up this file. It's pretty difficult to read, but if you look closely, you can actually see that this is in plain text. So if you look closely, you can actually see here it tells you different things. Let's see if we can find a latitude or longitude here. No. Okay, and next we will go to the calendar. As you can see here, it has a different calendar. Anything that has been saved onto the calendar, all saved here. Okay, and next we'll go to the MMS messages. So these are all the different picture messages that have been sent on the phone. And multimedia messages, you can just view them all here. Whether it was a group or picture text, you can view them all right here, and you can view them all there. So lastly, what I want to show you guys was the SIM card here. So you can see here if any SIM card is available, which since this phone is a GSM phone, there is no SIM card on the actual phone, but there is still an IMSI number to identify the phone basically on the mobile network. And that pretty much concludes everything here from on MOBILedit. Thank you for watching.